Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today's video is so special to me because it is a birthday video. I'm recording this video on the 14th, I believe. Today is Thursday, and my birthday is actually on Monday, September 17th. If you guys haven't noticed, I usually upload on Tuesdays, but this is going to be a special video that will be going up on the day of my birthday. So let's talk about the obvious. Oh, by the way, I'm turning 22 if anybody's curious. So let's talk about the obvious. The hair, not only is it straight, but it's a whole different color. When I was younger, I used to dye my hair a lot. My hair was really damaged. I didn't care though, like my hair wouldn't curl, but I wanted to dye it all the time. I thought it was so fun dyeing your hair. Around 4 years ago, I started dyeing my hair black, and then I never stopped. And my hair got so healthy that I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna dye it, like, not gonna happen. But I needed a new look, and what the hell is that? But I needed a new look, and my birthday was coming up, so I was like, you know what, whatever, let's do this. I thought about it for 3 weeks, and then I was like, I'm doing it. And then in the middle of the entire process, I was like freaking out because it was not looking good. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna have some ugly ass hair for my birthday. Like, it's not gonna be cute, but it turned out really nice. I mean, at least in my opinion. I really like it. Sorry I keep touching my hair. I'm just like, it's so hot, and like I'm trying to look presentable, but I also don't want my hair in my face because I'm gonna sweat it off. So I've been rambling this whole time, but yeah, I hope that you guys like my hair. Let me know what you think down below. If you don't like it, let me know too. Like, that's fine, just be nice. So yeah, for this video I created the smoky eye look because I feel like this would be the perfect birthday look, and I'm so in love with the way that it came out. I can't wait for it to be my birthday so I can do this exact look again. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Actually, hold on, rewind. My last video that I posted talking about the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, I was talking about how like I hadn't been doing too well, and so many of you left me like the sweetest comments in the entire world, and they meant everything to me. Like, I was like feeling down, whatever, and then I looked at the comments on my YouTube video, because first of all, YouTube didn't even give me any notification that I got comments. I was just curious, and I was like, let me check just in case maybe I did get something, and I was right. Some people commented, and they were so sweet. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. Please continue to watch me. It would mean the world to me. Subscribe. I love you guys. Oh, I just remembered. Birthday nails. They're very scandalous, but I like them. I do wish they were a little longer though, but it's okay. Yeah, anyways, I've been rambling for so long. Thank you guys for watching me and supporting me. And if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. You guys, my eyes are a little swollen, so I apologize, but I'm just so tired. And it's crazy because last night I actually slept really well, but... So today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye. Like, that's what I picture when I picture like a really nice birthday glam, because I just feel like brown eyes look so beautiful with like a whole bunch of black on them. So I'm gonna do a smoky eye. It's gonna be similar to the one that I did in the Iluvsarahii video that I did with like talking about the collection with her and those colors. I will link that down below if you guys want to see it, just saying. But oh, yeah, I put these on so the clips wouldn't make any indents in my hair. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a smoky eye today. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna use Wanderlust from the Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii palette. This is gonna be my transition shade, and I'm gonna sort of wing this out. Oh my gosh, do you guys have any shows that on Netflix that you want to recommend? I'm really into drama and comedy, mainly comedy though, but I'm open to watch other things. Oh, also, if you guys think that my eyebrows are too dark for my new hair color, please comment down below and let me know. I was thinking maybe I should get a brow pencil a shade lighter. I'm not sure. But just let me know what you guys think of my eyebrows down below, please. Alright, so now I'm going to do a step that I should have done in my other smoky eye tutorial, and that is using a base. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner as a base before I apply my black eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to blend that out. So over this black base, I'm going to apply this black shade, and this is called Finders Keepers. Right now I'm just patting it on, then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna add some more of Wonderlust up top to blend everything out and intensify the colors a little more. So in my previous smoky eye, I did a wing liner, but this time I'm only going to line like my lid, like a very thin line up here. And then I'm going to be applying the Makeup Shack Sienna lashes off camera. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Praline and the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Syracuse. So these two foundations look great on their own. They look even more beautiful together. And especially this one. I feel like this foundation is so nice. But when you mix it with a different foundation, doesn't matter which foundation it is, it just makes it 100 times better. Like super full coverage and like this beautiful like satin finish. I live. I forgot to mention that I did prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I know I said primer is a scam, but I heard good things about that one, so we'll see. This is only my second time using it, and so far so good. I don't know if I changed my mind about the whole primers being a scam thing yet, though. We'll see. Now I'm gonna conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium. I feel like the ends of my eye makeup did not come out the same, but it's okay because these big old lashes hide that. Hopefully it will, I guess. Now I'm gonna bake my face with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. Now I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Glow Setting Powder on the rest of my face. So going back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner, I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash. Excuse me, door. On my lower lash line, and I'm gonna make that a little bit thick. So I'm gonna set that with the same black eyeshadow that we put on our lid. I'm gonna blend out that lower lash line with a clean brush. So when I thought of this look in my head, I thought of having purple in the inner corners, and I think I'm gonna do Unicorn from the ABH, from the ABH Dream Glow Kit. I'm just gonna lightly contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be using the two darkest shades mixed together. So now I'm just gonna go over that with some bronzer, and I'm using my same bronzers as always, the ABH Cappuccino and the Medium Matte Bronzer by NYX. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Party Blush. I feel like the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb that I talked about in my last video would be absolutely perfect with this look. But I have this new highlighter that I haven't worn that I'm dying to try, which is the Juvia's Place Nefertiti highlighter. I don't know how to pronounce that without being immature. But I also wanted to talk to you guys about this super cute little mini Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. You guys wanna know how I got it? I got it for free. So you gotta make sure that you check your Ulta emails, because sometimes they send you like coupons for free gifts, sometimes they have like really good deals, and you just, sorry, my neighbor's AC is so loud, and you just never know unless you read the emails. So they sent me a code that said get this free highlighter. I almost dropped it. Get this free mini highlighter with any purchase, as long as you bring the code or whatever. So I showed them the code at checkout, and I was like, give me that highlighter, girl. Sorry, I'm so weird. But yeah, check your Ulta emails because you don't know what kind of deal like you're gonna come across. So I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus. Hopefully I won't mess up my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place highlighter. Wow, this is stunning. So I'm gonna go over my face with my Mario. What? Girl! With my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Wow. Now, it wouldn't be my birthday without a glossy lip because I love glosses. So I'm gonna do the Kylie Cosmetics Literally Gloss, and on top of that I'm gonna apply Freya by ADH. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys like my new hair. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Also, actually leave me some video recommendations down below. I would like to know what you guys would like to see. All right, guys. Bye.